Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about how much money are nail techs making in 2022. You already know you can work from home, make bank. Nail techs could start doing this. Okay, we can start making it rain. You know what I'm saying? But anyway. Are nail techs making in 2022? The average price for a nail set in my area is $50. Like, seriously, black nail techs, $50. I mean, listen, if you're working in a salon, I don't know salon prices, but I know for my sets, average is $50. Okay, so let's do some math and let's get into why nail techs should be banking in 2022. Now, everything's going up. Acrylics going up, gel polish is going up. Listen, it's ridiculous how much stuff we have to buy for nails, all right? So with all that money we're making, we're probably spending all that back in buying products. Every day something new, and client wants what's coming out. Client wants new stuff. They want stuff that's coming out. So we have to prepare for the clients, okay? So you could go to the supply store and $200 just on gel polish, right? Oh, buy some acrylic and some acetone, $400, okay? And it goes on and on. So sometimes when we charge you $100, $150, $200, sometimes we're not even breaking even because of how much money we are actually spending, right? So keep that in mind, all right? But the average a nail tech in 2020 should be making is 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That's all me. But the average you should be making is $1,000. Okay? And the reason why I say this is if you're doing 4 clients a day, charging $50, you are banking. You are banking. That's $4,000 a month. If you could get 4 clients to walk through your door, you know why that's not happening? Because sometimes your price is too high. Your price is too high. Now, if the work that you do is good, then yeah, 4 people walking in through the door, that's $400. Now you're really bad. $400 a day times 5 days a week. I mean, you are banking, making money, okay? 4, 5, 20, that's $2,000. All right. So if you're a badass nail tech and you are not making $2,000 a week, you need to give it up, because the little old nail techs, $50 doing 4 clients a day is making $1,000 a week. All right. So I'm going to tell you how to make this money. Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to make money as a nail tech is not sit on your ass. Get your ass up. If you have no clients that day, what you need to do is go pass out some flyers. Go somewhere busy. Go to the call centers. Go to the mall. Pass out your flyer, pass out your card. Don't be embarrassed to tell somebody you do nails. All right. Don't sit there and, oh, they're going to judge me if I get them out. No, who cares if they judge you? Girl, pass out your card. All right. If you pass out at least 50 cards in one day, somebody will call you. Back in the days when I didn't have clientele like that and I had nothing to do, I passed my cards out. Okay. So that's number one way to get money. You're going to pass your cards out. And when you go to people, don't just, here, let me give you a card. Here, let me give you a card. Nah, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is, here you go. Here's a card, right? I do nails. My name is Jules, and I would love to do your nails. Do you already have a nail tech? If they have nails on their hands, compliment them. Don't be no hater. Even if it might be jacked up, just compliment them, all right? Because they want to know that, you know, whatever they have on is good, but you can do better, right? So you got to sell yourself. All right. Once you sell yourself, your personality, they like you, they'll come. They'll come. Trust me, they will come. All right. But if you sit there and you wonder, oh, it's so slow, you're not going to make no money because your attitude already. All right. So first of all, it starts from you not being lazy and cut the attitude. All right. If you got attitude, you're not going to make no money. All right. It's your mindset that make you make money. Now that person called you. Now that person came to you. Now you're doing a person nail. You have to try to win them over, right? Don't just sit there on your phone getting phone calls from everybody and their mama on your phone. No. Whenever you have a client, that client should be your number one priority until that client walks through the door. All right? Because sometimes when y'all do nails, everybody and their mama keep calling you. But you need to tell them, listen, I have a client in front of me and I'm not trying to be unprofessional. Boom. End that conversation. Okay? Because the client is paying you and that's all that matters. You are going to treat them special. You give them the VIP service, I guarantee they will come back. All right? The second way how to get money, you have to know how to charge your prices. If your basic full set starts at $50, then you try to sell your designs. A lot of times clients will come and they'll be like, they want something simple. And when they leave, they got like 4 designs on their hands. You know how that happened? You have to learn how to sell your products, right? A client might come to get a regular nail polish. You say, I don't have regular nail polish, but I would love to give you some gel polish. It will last longer. You sell your products, right? Don't act like you can't speak, but you can speak for other things, but you can't speak to make yourself money. You have to learn how to speak. If they come for a basic full set and you sell them 2 designs, hey, the designs are $5 or $7 and they get 2 designs. Now, instead of them paying $50, they're paying you $60, right? And if they're nice enough and you do a good job, they're getting a tip, maybe 5, maybe 10. Sometimes clients tip heavy, $20, right? And that's $60 or $70 you made, right? And if you did not make that move and go to the mall or went out and pass out your flyers that day, you would have not had that money, right? So it starts from not being lazy. All right. Sometimes as nail techs, we get lazy, we get complacent, especially if we work from home or work for ourselves. Clients are not going to find you. Where I live, every plaza has a nail salon. So what's going to make you different working from home than a salon out there? It's a couple of things. You could charge cheaper and you got a lot of cheap clients, right? But there's nothing wrong with that. If cheap clients is what you got, then cheap clients is what you're going to work with, right? If you have all $50 clients, then that's still good. Because guess what? I could find $50 more than I could find $100. So you have to know your skill level, where you live, and the kind of clients you're going to attract. You have to do your research, all right? If where you live, everybody ain't got no money and $50 is a good price for them, then you charge $50. Okay, but if you live where you know people will pay you $75 and $100, then you charge that. Don't worry about what Emily's charging. Emily's over there charging $125. Still charge your $50. Still charge your $75. Okay, charge what you are worth. Okay, because in a little while, Emily customers gonna start finding you. Okay, and then another thing, your attitude. Like I said, your attitude is a big deal. Big deal. I would rather go to somebody who is not like a professional. I mean, if they could put my nails on and my nails would stay on and they treat me good, they respect me, they love me, and I feel like I'm the number one client, that person is going to always get my money. All right. So you have to learn how to treat clients. It's just like a relationship. If you're in a relationship with somebody and you treat them good, they're going to treat you back better. Now, another way to get this money is to reach out to your family members. I know these are the last person on earth that want to help you because it seems like your family don't ever support you, right? But maybe it's you. You don't have time for your family because you have to let your family know, hey, listen, I'm running a business. This is not freebies, okay? I'll do your nails for $50, but at the same time, I'll give you a family discount, all right? You have to take care of family, all right? But don't be doing family nails for free because at the end of the day, they'll take advantage of the situation and these stuff, they cost. All right. The worst kind of customer you can have is a family member or a friend, honestly. But they're still people and they still go other places and get their nails done. So why not come to you? Another way how you can get this money is just be on Instagram. When you're doing nails, just go live. People love to watch you going live. Okay, people love it. At the time when you're filming, you might not have anybody watching, but once it replays, then they'll watch. So I'm not sure if it's Instagram or Facebook, but I know social media, right? I've done it before on Facebook, Instagram. I'm not too sure how that works as far as going live, but I know on Facebook, when I do my lives, a lot of people be commenting on there and a lot of people be watching, right? And I have a couple of appointments on there, right? So you have to expose yourself. If you don't expose yourself, how are you going to get this cash? How? You're not going to get it just locked up in your room. It's not going to come to you. You have to get up. You have to get it. Now, it's 2022. All right. So last year in 2021, maybe you were being lazy. But this year in 2022, this is the year of the boss chicks. And I know you want to boss up. And I know you're trying to get this money, right? You're in your house. You want to do better for your kids. You want to do better for yourself. All right. Go do a nails course. It's 240 hours. 240 hours is nothing. You could complete that within 3 months or less. That is totally nothing. It's unacceptable. Stop thinking about it and do it and get this money, because everybody want to be a nail tech now, but everybody do not want to put the work in. Your skill is going to take time. Go ahead and find you some friends that do nails. Come together, practice with some YouTube videos, and learn how to get this money. And when you start getting this money, learn how to save this money. All right, because it only goes up from here. It only goes up, and next thing you know, everybody gonna be calling your name, booking appointments, and then you'll be too busy. All right, so thank you for watching. If you like comment like this, just like and subscribe to my channel and get this money in 2022 and stop playing. Get your ass up and stop being lazy. All right.